This is the beauty of thematic based structure. First definition based problems, then basic foundation level problems, intermediate level problems, advanced level problems, and exam model questions solved. We will solve each and every question in detail. In case if I think that I need to create more and more questions, definitely I will do it. First question, but before that first question, we will try to solve close to first 11 questions we will try to solve, but before that I wanted to solve one question. See this question: which of the following numbers it is a perfect square? Which of the following numbers it is a perfect square? Now if you see, options are 14 factorial into 15 factorial by 2, 15 factorial into 16 factorial by 2, 16 factorial into 17 factorial by 2, 17 factorial into 18 factorial by 2. Now first thing, what is the keyword in this question? Which of the following it is a perfect square? Which of the following it is a perfect square? Any perfect square will be of the form n square. N is a natural number. A perfect square will be of the form a square of a number multiplied by itself. Number multiplied by itself, it is called a perfect square. Number multiplied by itself, it is called a perfect square. First we understood the keyword. Second point, n factorial is given by n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial. 4 factorial it is given by 4 into 3 factorial. We will use these two important key points and we will try to solve a problem. First see here. Question is 14 factorial into 15 factorial. Let us do from bottom up. 17 factorial into 18 factorial. 18 factorial can be written as 18 into 18 minus 1, 17 factorial divided by 2. 18 by 2 it is 9. 9 into 17 factorial whole square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 17 factorial whole square. So this is 3 into 17 factorial whole square. 3 into 17 factorial whole square. Is it of the form square of a number? Definitely yes. Is it of the form square of a number? Definitely yes. So answer for this question is 17 factorial into 18 factorial. 17 factorial into 18 factorial divided by 2. Let us also see why other numbers are not perfect squares. So this is 16 factorial. 17 factorial is 17 into 16 factorial divided by 2. 17 it is not divisible by 2. Not possible. This is 15 factorial into 16 factorial. 16 into 15 factorial into 15 factorial divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. A perfect square never ends with 2 3 7 are right. This is not possible. This is 15 factorial is 15 into 14 factorial whole square divided by 2. 15 it is not divisible by 2. Which of the following it is a perfect square? Perfect square power will be a multiple of 2, right? 17 it is not divisible by 2. 58, a perfect square never ends with 2 3 7 or 8. It is not possible. 15 it is not divisible by 2. I hope the question is clear. Based upon this one, let us create another question. Question is goes like this. 1 is written once, 2 is written twice, 3 is written thrice, 4 is written 4 times, 4 is written 4 times, 5 is written 5 times, 5 is written 5 times, 6 is written 6 times, 6 is written 6 times, 7 is written 7 times, 7 is written 7 times, 8 is written 8 times, 8 is written 8 times, 9 is written 9 times, 9 is written 9 times, 9 is written 9 times. Which of the following elements? This is a set. This is a set. Which of the following elements in the set? Which of the following elements in the set are perfect squares? Which of the following elements in the set are perfect squares? This is the question. 1 is written once, 2 is written twice, 3 is written thrice, 4 is written 4 times, 5 is written 5 times, 6 is written 6 times, 7 is written 7 times, 8 is written 8 times, 9 is written 9 times. Each and every digit is written that many number of times. Which elements in the set are perfect squares? Very, very good question. Now once we understand all the properties, one by one we will do. A perfect square never ends with, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Second concept. If a perfect square unit digit is 6, if the perfect square unit digit is 6, tens place is odd. If the perfect square unit digit is 6, tens place is odd. 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 14 square 196, 16 square 256. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place should be odd. Tens place should be odd. Tens place is even. It is not possible. Any perfect square units place is 5. Units place is 5. Tens place will be 2. 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625. This is not possible. This is not possible. 1 square it is 1. It is possible. 1 square it is 1. First element it is a perfect square. First element it is a perfect square. Next one. Any perfect square when divided by 8, either it gives a remainder 0 or remainder 1 or remainder 4. Any perfect square divided by 8 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 4, or it gives a remainder 4. I hope the idea it is clear. So let us do one by one. 999999. Last two digits are 99. Any perfect square when divided by 4 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1, or it gives a remainder 1. 99 is 4 into 24 plus 3. 4 into 24 plus 3. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. This is out, this is out. The number it is 4444. The number it is 4444. Last two digits 44. 4 11s are 44. 8 5s are 40. 44. 8 5s are 40. 8p plus 4. That is also possible. Any perfect square when divided by 3 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1. 4 4s are 16. 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. So 44444. 44444. It lies between which two numbers? 4444. 4400. 65 square is 422. It is ending with which number? 44. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 44. 12 square is 144. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. These also I discussed. Last two digits will be same. 12 square it is 144. 12 square it is 144. So x square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. X is 12. So it is 12 square 144. 50 plus 12. 62 square is 3844. 100 minus 12 is 88 square, 7744. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, it is 38 square. 38 square is 1444. 38 square is 1444. What is the number? 44444. It is not possible. I hope it is clear. It is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, it should match with any of these values. Very, very good question. 1 written once, 2 written twice, 3 written thrice, 4 written 4 times, 5 written 5 times, 6 written 6 times, 7 written 7 times, 8 written 8 times, 9 written 9 times. 2 written 2 times. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. A perfect square when divided by 4, remainder 0 or remainder 1, 99. 4 into 24 plus 3, not possible. Next one, any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is odd. Here it is 6, it is out. Any perfect square unit digit it is 5, tens place should be 2, this is out. This I checked by using this logic. Very, very good question. We will start with perfect squares. I hope this question already we did it. 20th question. Find the sum of all positive integers for which n square, listen carefully sir, very, very good question it is. Find all the positive integers n for which n square minus 19n plus 99, it is a perfect square. Again the question is on perfect square. N square minus 19n plus 99. It is a perfect square. How many terms are there on the left hand side? 1, 2, 3. Which term square? I will have 3 terms. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what I will do is, since it is, I will multiply with 4. 4n square minus 76n plus 4 into 99 equivalent to 4a square. Are you all with me? So this will become 4n square minus 76n. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3, 396 equivalent to 4a square. Are you all with me? So this can be written as 2n minus 19 whole square, 361 plus 35. 361 plus 35 is 396 equivalent to 2a whole square, equivalent to 2a whole square. So this will become 2a whole square minus of 2n minus 19 whole square is equivalent to 35. So this can be written as 2a square minus b square, 2a plus 2n minus 19 into 2a minus 2n minus 19 minus 2n plus 19. A square plus b square. I hope the idea it is clear. 35 can be written as 35 into 1, 7 into 5, 1 into 35, 5 into 7. 5 into 7. So if I take it as these as 35 and these as 1, adding 2n minus 2n cancel, minus 19 plus 19 cancel, 4a equivalent to 36, a equivalent to 9, a equivalent to 9. If I take this one, 4a equivalent to 12, a equivalent to 3. So this, if I solve it, this I will get n square minus 19n plus 199 equivalent to 9. N square minus 19n plus 90 equivalent to 0. N equivalent to 10 comma 9. N equivalent to 10 comma 9. Are you all with me? Very simple idea. If I take n equivalent to 9, this will become 9 square 81. 99 minus 81, it is 18. N square minus 19n plus 18 equivalent to 0. So n equivalent to 1 comma 18. 1 comma 18. So n equivalent to 10 comma 9, n equivalent to 1 comma 18. Please check it out whether it is a perfect square or not. 1 plus 99, it is 100. 100 minus 19, 81. It is a perfect square. 100 minus 19, it is a perfect square. Let us check for n value 10. N value 10. 10 square. 10 square minus 190 plus 199. 100 plus 99. 199 minus 190. 9, it is a perfect square. N value 9. 9 square 81. 81 plus 99, which is 180 minus 171. N value 9. 118, 10 and 9. What is the question? Sum of all positive integers n. 1 is a positive integer, 18 is a positive integer, 10 is a positive integer, 9 is a positive integer. Answer is 38. 1 plus 18 plus 9 plus 10. 19 plus 19. Answer is 38. Answer is 38. I hope the idea it is clear. Why I multiplied by 4? If I multiply by 4, I am able to generate these a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. I hope the idea it is clear. If you do like this, you will get this answer. There is a better way where you will get the answer very fast. Let us see that better way. N square multiplying by 4 clear. Idea is I looked at the question. There are 3 terms. What is the square of a number which will have 3 terms? A plus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So equivalent to 4a square. It is 2 into 2n. Remaining is 19. 19 square is 361 plus 35. Idea clear? So 1, 18, 10 and 9. Now let me show you the another approach. Question is n square minus 19n plus 92. It is a perfect square. N square minus 19n plus 92. It is a perfect square. So this will become n minus 9 whole square. Can I write like this? N square minus 18n. Minus 18n, next is minus n. Minus n. 81. 81. 81. How much is remaining? Minus 11. Equivalent to n square. Am I right? A square. Are you all with me? Suppose if you see here, 10 and 9 and 1 and 18. 10 and 9 and 1 and 18. So what we will do is, suppose n minus 19 whole square, n square minus 18n plus 99, right? Okay. Plus 99 means this is 18. Are you all with me? So if it is n value, if it is 18, this will become 0. 18 minus 9 is 9 square, 81. A square is 81, a value will be perfect square. So n is 18 possible. If I take n value 9, 9 minus 9, 0 square. 9 minus 18, minus 9. Minus into minus plus. Plus 9. A square is 9. A value 3. So these two cases. Are you all with me? How am I doing it? I hope the idea it is clear. N value 9, N value 18. These two cases we got it. Now if I write it like this. N minus 10 whole square. N square minus 20n. That means plus n. 100 minus 8 equivalent to a square. N minus 10 whole square plus n minus 8 is whole square. If I take n value 10, 10 minus 10 is 0 square. 10 minus 100, it is 99. I wrote the heading as 92. That is the reason confusion. This is 99. This is n minus 1. n minus 1 equivalent to h square. So n equivalent to 10. 10 minus 10, 0 square, perfect. 10 minus 1, 9. n equivalent to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 10, minus 9 square. So how many values we got? 10 plus 9, 19. 18 plus 1, 19. Answer is 38. Very, very good question. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Very interesting question, observational question. Either you can do this by using the traditional method or you can optimize the question like this, right? I would suggest that go with this method because this will give you all the factors. 35 into 1, 5 into 7. There is no other way. Question is positive integer. That is the reason we have not taken minus 1 into minus 35 and minus 35 into minus 1. Very, very good question. Right after the class, revise it as many times as possible. 19th we solved it. Now 21st also. 21st. See here. What is the value of ABC? What is the value of ABC? 0 AC. 0 AC. This is a 6-digit number. A 6-digit perfect square. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Now the hints are given. Which is divisible by 5 and 11. The number is divisible by 5. Any perfect square divisible by 5. Any perfect square divisible by 5. Any perfect square divisible by 5. If n is an even number and divisible by 5, c will be 0 and this will be 0. What are the even multiples of 5? 5 into 2, 10 whole square, last two digits 0, 0. 5 into 4, 20 whole square, last two digits 0, 0. If n is an even number, n square equivalent to 100, n is 10, last two digits 0, 0. C is 0, A is 0. That means this will become 0, B, 0, 0. Left hand side cannot be 0. That means n is not an even number. N is not an even number. Okay. If n is not an even number, can n be an odd number? Yes. What are the odd number on square ending with 5? Last two digits will be any odd number which is a multiple of 5. 5 into 1 square, 5 square. 5 into 3 square, 15 square, 225. 5 into 5 square, 25 square, 625. C is 5. The any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is always 2. That means the number will become 2, 5 and it is 0. Again C is 5. B we don't know, but A is 2. The number is 2B5025 and it is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 means sum of odd places. Divisible by 11 means sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible by 11. Are you all with me? Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible by 11. Places should be divisible by 11. Should be divisible by 11. Should be divisible by 11. So 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7. Here it will be odd places. 7 plus 2, 9. So this will be, sum of odd places will be, sorry, I wrote it here. So this will be sum of odd places, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus B. Sum of even places, 9. It can be either 0 or it will be divisible by 11. So B minus 4 is 0 or 11 or 22. This case is not possible. So B is equivalent to 4. If B is equivalent to 4, what will be the number? Number will be 2, 4, 5, 0, 2, 5. 2, 4, 5, 0, 2, 5. I hope the idea it is clear. 245025. Very, very interesting question it is. What is the value of a 6-digit number? We have to decode the values of A, B, C, D such that this number is divisible by 5 and 11. These divisible by 5. It can be an odd number or an even number. If it is an even number and divisible by 5, last 2 digits will be 0, 0. Leftmost will be 0. It cannot become a 6-digit number. If it is an odd number, 25. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Should be divisible. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Find all the prime numbers p such that 5 power p. Question is, find all the prime numbers p such that 5 power p plus 4p power 4, it is a perfect square. So all the prime numbers p we need to find out such that 5 power p plus 4p power 4, it is a perfect square. So I will shift it to the right hand side. K square minus 4p power 4 equivalent to 5 power p. So this will become k plus 2p square and k minus 2p square, k plus 2p square, k minus 2p square equivalent to 5 power p. 5 power p. These 5 power p can be distributed among k plus 2p square and k minus 2p square. Let these be 5 power x. Let these be 5 power y. If you observe, k plus 2p square is greater than k minus 2p square. That means x is greater than y. Obviously, this value will be greater than this value. So 5 power p is distributed on both of these. So x plus y should be equivalent to p. If it is 5 cube, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. If it is 5 power 7, 5 power 0, 5 power 7, 5 power 1, 5 power 6, any distribution. I hope it is clear. X plus y is equivalent to p. So here, if you observe closely, k plus 2p square, it is 5 power x. K minus 2p square, it is 5 power y. What is unwanted? This is the question which is given. This is something which is a square of a number. It can be a square of any number. So let me eliminate k. Minus plus minus. 4p square is equivalent to 5 power x minus 5 power y. 5 power x minus 5 power y. So this will be equivalent to 4p square equivalent to 5 power y into 5 power x minus y minus 1. Are you all with me? 4p square equivalent to 5 power y into 5 power x minus y minus 1. Now if you see, this is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Right? So I want 4 into, what is this one? P is a prime number. P is a prime number. P is a prime number. Prime number has only one factors. Prime number has only one factor, 1 and itself. Suppose p square can have 5 power 1. P square, can it have 5 power x minus y? So 5 power x minus y minus 1. 5 power x minus y when divided by 4, remainder 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is perfectly divisible by 4. This is perfectly divisible by 4. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 4, can it be a prime number? No. That means p square or 5 power y or 5 power y is a factor of p square. 5 power 1, 5 is a factor of p square. That means p is a multiple of 5. P is a multiple of 5. Is there any prime number other than 5 which is a multiple of 5 and a Prime number, not possible. Multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Other than 5, remaining all are composite numbers. I hope the idea it is clear. This is 4 into something. 5 power y. 5 power y cannot be written as 4 power. So it is not possible. So 4 will come from this side. P square, 5 power y is a derived from p square. Left hand side value, right hand side. So p square should take any number which is of the form 5 power y. So p is a prime number. What is the power of 5? That is a prime number, 5 power 1, 5. So p equivalent to 5. Find all prime numbers such that it is a perfect square. Only one number, that is 5 power 5. 5 power 5 plus 4 into 5 power 4. So if I take 5 power 4 common, this will be 5 plus 4 into 5. 5 power 4, it is square, 5 square whole square. 25, it is 5 square. 25, it is 5 square. Very, very good. Absolutely funda questions. Most of the questions are fresh questions, new questions, and probably the questions which you will not find in any of the YouTube channels, especially the logics which I develop. I take a lot of time to prepare the sheet. That is the reason. Every class of mine will make you think a lot. It is not going to be something where I will ask you to solve the questions, right? We will waste a lot of time in discussing something, right? Non-academics. I will not do that. 22nd, I hope it is clear. 23rd, we already solved. 24th, there is a 4-digit number. There is a 4-digit number. It is a perfect square. First 2 digits are equal. First 2 digits are equal. Last 2 digits are also equal. Last 2 digits are equal. This is an original CAT PYQ question. This is an original CAT PYQ question. AABB. AABB. Now, first 2 digits are equal, last 2 digits are equal. Hints will come only from the question. It is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Not possible. A perfect square never ends with 6 in this case, because last 2 digits will be any perfect square ending with 6. Tens place will be an odd number. 16, 36, 56, 96. Not possible. Any perfect square will not end with 5 in this case. If it is ending with 5, tens place will be 2. Any perfect square will not end with 1, because if it is ending with 1, tens place will be an even number, but last 2 digits should be equal. 0, 1, 21, 41, 61, 81. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Any perfect square ending with 9. 0, 9, 29, 49, 69, 89. Not possible. The only case possible is 44. The only case possibility is 44. Already we discussed the logic. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square. 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last 2 digits will be same. Last 2 digits will be same. I want the last 2 digits 44. Which number on square I will get 44? 12 square is 144. 50 plus 12, 50 minus 12. 100 minus 12. 88 square is 7744. 38 square is 1444. 62 square is 3844. This is the question. 7744. Absolutely basic property of a perfect square. We solved the question. It is a perfect square. Unit digit can never be 2, 3, 7 or 8. It can never be 6, because tens place will be an odd number. Last 2 digits are same. So not possible. It can never be 5, because any perfect square ending with 5, tens place will be 2. Any perfect square ending with 1 and 9, not possible. Only case possibility is 44. Only case possibility is 44. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. This is another beautiful question, sir. very beautiful question. Best question for today. Try to solve these questions initially, then probably you can see the solution. Determine all odd real numbers. Okay, odd real numbers. Let me remove odd. First, I will explain the concept. X is a real number. It can be a rational number. It can be an integer, anything. Determine all the real numbers x. First, we will prove something, then we will put odd. Because if I keep an odd number, automatically odd number comes under the set of natural numbers. So I wanted to prove something else. 4x power 5 minus 7, 4x power 13 minus 7 are perfect squares. That means 4x power 5 minus 7, it is a perfect square. It is p square. 4x power 13 minus 7, it is a q square. So 4x power 5 will become p square plus 7. So x power 5 will become p square plus 7 divided by 4. First step clear? So this will become 4x power 13 is equivalent to q square plus 7. So x power 13 is equivalent to q square plus 7 by 4. Q square plus 7 by 4. Let me call this value as a1. I'll tell you, let me call this value as a2. Let me call that value. 5, it is x power 5 and it is x power 13. Which powers will come closer? 5 8s are 40, 13 3s are 39. So a3 is equivalent to a1 power 8 by a2 power 3, which is nothing but x here, which is nothing but x. a1 is p square plus 7 divided by 4 power 8. This is q square plus 7 divided by 4 power 3. There is a numerator and there is a denominator. There is a numerator and there is a denominator. If x is a rational number, what is a rational number? Rational number will be of the form v by u, where v, u and r are integers. These are rational number. Rational number will have a numerator as well as a denominator. Rational number will have a numerator as well as a denominator. I hope the idea it is clear. Now if you see here, determine all the real numbers such that 4x power 5 minus 7 and 7 are perfect squares. Perfect squares. Square, it is an integer. Over answer. 4x power 5 is equivalent to 4x power 5 minus 7 is equivalent to p square. 4 into v by u power 5 minus 7 is perfect square. That means, listen carefully, sir. Here it is an integer, here it is an integer. This should be an integer. Only possible when u equivalent to 1. If u equivalent to 2, here when I say HCF of v comma u should be equivalent to 1. That is the definition of a rational number. U power 5, if u is 2, 2 power 5 32, 4 by 32, 1 by 8 fraction it will become. This is an integer, this is an integer. That means denominator should be a factor of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. But this and this should be co-prime to each other. That means u equivalent to 1. If u is equivalent to 1, in a rational number, if the denominator is equivalent to 1, that means the number will become an integer. I am just proving that x is an integer. Question asked is x is a real number. First I proved that x is an integer. Is this concept clear? Beautiful question, sir. Amazing question. Especially the students who are very good in mathematics. You will love these kind of questions because every question will make you think, sir. It is not going to be a direct formula driven question. 4x power 5 minus 7 is p square. 4x power 5 is p square plus 7. X power 5 is p square plus 7 by 4. X power 13 is q square plus 7 by 4. So I wanted an x value in the left side. So I did power 8 power 3. So here there is a numerator and denominator. So x is a rational number. Rational number is of some form, numerator and denominator. They both are co-prime to each other. So 4x power 5 minus 7 is equivalent to p square. Wherever x is there, v by u power 5. This is an integer, this is an integer, this should be an integer. That means u should be 1. U should be 1. If the denominator, if it is 1, that means it is an not a real number, it is an integer. From real number to rational number, from rational number to integer. A true perfect question for the number tree property. Now see here. 4x power 5 minus 7, it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. X is an integer. Now let us now keep the question. X is an odd number. If x is an odd number power 5, it will be an odd number. 4 into odd minus 7. 4 into odd minus 7. 4 into any number divisible by 4. 4 2s are, okay, we will do like this. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1 minus 7. So it is 8k plus 3. Any perfect square when divided by 8, it will give remainder 0, 1, 4. 4 into, x is an odd number we require. 4 into odd plus 7. 4 into odd plus 7. Odd number is of the form 2k plus 1. 8k plus 7 minus 4, 3. 8k plus 3. 8k plus 3. Any perfect square when divided by 8, remainder will be 0, 1 or 4. 0, 1 or 4. I am getting remainder 3. So, answer is no value. Answer is no value. Are you all with me? Answer is no value. Answer is no value. Very, very good questions can be formed by using this kind of logics. I hope the idea it is clear. He can ask you any question, sir. Suppose if the question is, four into n square 4 into n square plus 2 is a perfect square. 4 into n square plus 2, it is a perfect square. How many odd values n will take? How many odd values n will take? 4n square plus 2. Very good questions, very easy question if you understand this question. 4n square plus 2, it is a perfect square. Any perfect, it is a perfect square. N is an odd number. Odd number on square, odd number. So 4 into 2k plus 1 plus 2. So this is 8k plus 6. Any perfect square, any perfect square, any perfect square when divided by 8, remainder will be 0, 1 or 4. I got remainder 6. Answer is no value. This kind of questions you will not find in any of the regular textbook. You have to listen to Anil Nair's classes to understand the beauty of mathematics. I hope the idea it is clear. This is a very, very good question. 25th, 24th, 23rd we solved, 22nd we solved, 20th we solved, 19th we solved, 18th we solved. These all are upcoming questions, sir. These all are very, very good questions. Now see this question, sir. 9th question. Read this 9th question. Please read this 9th question. Two farmers agree that the pigs are worth $300 and that goats are worth $210. Two farmers are there. Two farmers are there. They all come to a conclusion. They all say that each pig is worth $300. Each goat is worth $210. Okay. When one farmer owes the other money, he pays the debt in pig or goat. He pays the debt in pig or goat. He pays the debt in pig or goat. For example, there are two people. For example, Anil and Reshma, it is there. Anil and Reshma, it is there. Suppose what I will do is Reshma owes Anil $210. Reshma owes Anil $210. So instead of giving $210, she tells, please take this goat, because the goat is worth $210. If Anil owes Reshma $300, Anil will tell Reshma, please take this pig which costs $300. So every currency which they are making, they are exchanging it with pig as well as goat. One more example it is given. For example, a $390 debt could be paid with 2 pigs and with 1 goat received in change. Suppose Anil has to give Reshma $390. Anil has to give Reshma $390. Currency is in the form of a pig and as well as goat. So he gives Reshma 2 pigs. If I give Reshma 2 pigs, how much I gave? 600 rupees. But how much I owe? 390 rupees. That means Reshma has to give back Anil. How many rupees? 210 rupees. 210 rupees he gives back, she gives back goat. She gives back goat. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Very, very clear to you. The entire question, please continue the question. What is the amount of the smallest positive debt that can be resolved in this way? That can be resolved in this way. Think logically. If Anil has to give Reshma 600 rupees, how many goats he will give? 300 into 2. Suppose Reshma has to owe Anil $420. Reshma will give how many it is? Goats? 2 goats. That means, can I say the equation 300 is the cost of 1 pig? How many pigs I give? I don't know. 300x. If I need to get any change, this will be minus 210y. 300x minus 210y is equivalent to k. You see this equation, you will understand. Suppose 390. 300 into 2, 600. 600 minus 210, it is 390. 300x minus 210y, it is equivalent to k. 300 into x minus 210y is equivalent to k. Now, if you see here, listen carefully. First think, what is the amount? Very good question based on algebra, sir. What is the amount of the smallest positive debt that can happen? Smallest positive debt that can happen. That means, listen carefully. 300. Suppose if it is 90 rupees, I gave 300 rupees, I got 210. How much is the difference? 90. Suppose I did, for example, 60 rupees. 60 means 300 into 3. 3 goats I gave 900. She gave me back 4 goats. 4 into 210 is 840. 900 minus 840, 60. Like that, multiple are there. What is the minimum possible difference? Minimum possible difference. One by one we will go. This is 300, it is an even number. 210, it is an even number. Even minus even. Even. Answer should be divisible by 2. Answer should be divisible by 2. Are you all with me? Answer should be divisible by 2. 300. 300. It is divisible by 3. 210. It is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. I am taking all the prime numbers, sir. Divisible by 2 and 3. Next is 5. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. So, answer should be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. It is only divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. These divisible by 2, 3 and 5. This is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Question is smallest positive debt. Smallest positive debt. Answer is 30. Answer is 30. In simple language, it is HCF of 300 comma 210. HCF of 300 comma 210. This is divisible by 10. This is divisible by 10. So answer will be divisible by 10. This is 21. 21 does not divide 30. Factors of 21 are 7. 7 will not divide 30. 3 will divide 30. Answer is 30. HCF of 300 and 210, it is 30. I hope it is clear. Very, very good question it is. Extremely good question. Where right ancient old days we used to replace it with gold or jewelry or any instrument worth X. Very, very interesting question it is. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Do not miss. Okay, same question here. The number of integral solution for the equation 2x plus 4y is equivalent to 21. 2x, it is an even number. 4y, it is an even number. Even plus even, it is an even number. Answer should be an even number. 21 is an odd number. So answer will be no value x comma y takes. No value x comma y takes. 2x is divisible by 2. 4y is divisible by 2. 2x is divisible by 2. 4y it is divisible by 2. So even plus even, answer should be an even number. 21 is an odd number. So answer is no value x comma y takes. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose one more question we will solve. There are a person has to give 500 rupees using 5 rupee notes, using 20 rupee notes, and using 50 rupee notes. In how many ways can I give 500 rupees using 5 rupees, 20 rupees and 50 rupees? Exactly 20 notes needs to be used. Exactly 20 notes to be used. In how many ways can I give 500 rupees using currency in the denomination of 5 rupee, 20 rupees and 50 rupees? That too exactly 20 notes needs to be used. Exactly 20 notes needs to be used. So how many notes? Let me take x plus y plus z. Number of notes, 5 rupees I am using are x, 20 rupees it is y, 50 rupees it is z. X plus y plus z is 20. So this is 5x plus total money it is 5x plus 20y plus 50z is 500. So this will become x plus 4y plus 10z equivalent to 100. Is this equation clear? Total money it is 500. 5 rupees I am using X notes. 20 rupees I am using Y notes. 50 rupees I am using Z notes. Total value it is for 500. How many notes I am using? X plus Y plus Z. So if I subtract 4y minus Y, 3y. 10z minus Z, 9z. 100 minus 20, 80. 3y plus 9z equivalent to 80. 3y plus 9z equivalent to 80. 3y is divisible by 3. 9z is divisible by 3. Is 80 divisible by 3? No. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer is not divisible by 3. So answer is not possible. A typical aptitude question which we think it is a counting case, but if you think logically, it's a very beautiful case. It's a very, very beautiful case. 5x plus 20y plus 50z equivalent to 500. Total number of notes I need to use is 20. 5 rupee notes I am using are x. 20 rupees notes y. 50 rupees notes z. X plus y plus z is 20. 5x plus 20y plus 50z is 500. X plus 4y plus 10z. 3y plus 9z is 80. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. 80, it is not divisible by 3. I hope you are enjoying these new series where I am discussing some complex questions by using the fundamentals of aptitude. Please go through each and every question. In case if you are watching the video, I would recommend you to sit and write down every important learning in every problem. Trust me, mark my words. Every sheet is a beautiful question. No outdated questions, fresh, curated, tricky, logical, structured thinking. It increases your intellectual ability. Student, question is, question 1. If x equivalent to 11, find x power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x minus 1. This is a very simple question. Only thing you have to understand the root cause of a problem. Options are 5, 9, 10, 0. 5, 9, 10, 0. Those of you who want to know the source of the question, this question is picked out from SSCCGL. SSCCGL. Original previous year question picked out from SSCCGL. If x equivalent to 11, find x power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x minus 1. Now if you see here, what is the textbook method? Textbook method. Most of the students who will solve this method, and from this method they derived some useless conclusions you don't require. Just by looking at a question, after few minutes you'll understand how to solve the question in seconds. What they will do is, first read the question. Okay, x is given as value 11. Okay, find x power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x. What is given in the question? X equivalent to 11. What are the coefficients? It is 12. Here the input is 11 and here he is asking x power 5 minus 12x power 4 something. So what I will do is, x power 5, wherever 12 is there, I will do it as 11 plus 1, which is x plus 1, into x power 4, plus wherever 12 is there, I will write it as 11 plus 1. Wherever 12 is there, I will write it as 11 plus 1. Wherever 12 is there, I will write it as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Where x plus 1 is 11 plus 1, it is 12. 11 plus 1, it is 12. People are not identifying the root cause of a problem, solving it directly. So this will become x power 5 minus x power 5 minus x power 4 plus x power 4. X cube minus x cube minus x square plus x square. So x minus 1. X minus 1, 11 minus 1, it is 10. 11 minus 1, it is 10. This is one way to solve the problem. Wherever 12 is there, write it down as 11 plus 1. This is a traditional method. This is a traditional method. Now, if this question is given to me, how I will solve this question? How I will solve the question? My way of solving is very logical, very conceptual, non-formula way of solving, very simple way to understand. If this question is given to me, how I will solve the question? How I will solve the question? If x equivalent to 11, x power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x. All these terms contain x. All these terms contain x. What is x value? 11. That means from here to here, every term is multiplied by x. That means every term is multiplied by 11. That means from here to here, every term contains x. That means it is divisible by 11. So 11 into something. What is remaining? Minus 1. So answer, when divided by 11, it should give remainder minus 1. Right? 5. not possible. 9, not possible. 0 means it is perfectly divisible by 11. Perfectly divisible by 11. Are you all with me? So then 10, 11 ones are 11, negative remainder minus 1, negative remainder minus 1. A simple observation in this question, from here to here it is divisible by x, x power 5 is divisible by x, 12x power 4 divisible by x, 12x cube divisible by x, minus 12x square divisible by x, plus 12 it is divisible by x. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Suppose if there is a smart student, he might ask me a question. Sir, what if it is? If there is one more option, 21. If you are getting this doubt, probably with 15 years experience, I might have probably created a lot of questions which confuse the students. Sir, what if there is another option, 21? 11 into 1 minus 1, 11 into 2 minus 1. There could be two choices that can be possible. Definitely right? Right logic. This is one way to look at it. And another way to look at it. These are all very, very easy questions, sir. Another way to look at it is, see here. Listen carefully. Again, read the question. I told you 3 rules. Read the question, identify the root cause of a problem, simplify the problem, don't complicate the problem. Read the question. X power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x. Again, read the question. Here it contains 12. Here it contains 12. Here it contains 12. Here it contains 12. What is remaining? X power 5 minus 1. What is x? X is 11 power 5 minus 1. We will divide it by 12. Check what is the remainder. 12 ones are 12 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. That means answer when divided by 12, it should give negative remainder minus 2 or positive remainder 10. 21. 12 twos are 24. 24 minus 2 I am getting. Minus 2 I am getting. Because the coefficients 12, 12, 12, 12. Simple observation. First 5 terms, it is divisible by x. So answer should be divisible by 11, remainder minus 1. I eliminated the options which are not of the form 11 into something minus 1. Suppose if there is more than one answer option, check all the other coefficients are divisible by 12. So second, third, fourth, fifth, it is divisible by 12. Check what is the remainder when first and last are divisible by 12. X divided by 12. 11 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, it is minus 2. Negative remainder minus 2. Positive remainder 10. These questions without using mathematics hardly 5 seconds to take it. Traditional method, this is a traditional method. I am not interested in this kind of right method. Anyway, examiner also, he is giving that question to check whether you can use a very logical way and get the answer very fast. I hope the student who asked a doubt, it is clear. Now question number 2. Question number 2. This is also a previous year question. X is 106. X power 5 minus 107 x power 4 plus 107 x cube. No need to remember, mug it up. 107 x square plus 107 x plus 25 plus 25. Seems like a degree 5 equation. Exact options I will keep 132, 118, 131, 25. No formulae, nothing. 25. Pure observational skills. What is the first observation? From here to here, all are divisible by which term? X. What is x value? 106. From here to here, it is divisible by 106 into k, some value, plus 25. Answer when divided by 106, it should give a remainder 25. 106 ones are 106, 26. 106 ones are 106, 12. 106, 25. K value 0. But this entire number is divisible. That means K should be greater than 0. K should be greater than 0. Are you all with me? K should be greater than 0. This is a good logic. In case if you are stuck between third option and fourth option, 131 and 25, entire number is divisible by 106 plus 25, 106 into K plus 25. You got second option and third option. In case if you are stuck, use that another logic. What is another logic? This is divisible by 107. 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 What is left over? X power 5 plus 25. So do it with 107. So this will give you 106 power 5 plus 25 divided by 107. Are you all with me? Divided by 107. Is it clear here? This is divisible by 107. 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 Remaining is x power 5 plus 25 divided by 107. 107 ones are 107 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd plus 25. Minus 1 power odd plus 25. It is 24. Minus 1. That means answer when divided by 107, it should give a remainder 24. Answer when divided by 107, it should give a remainder 24. This is giving 25. Not possible. Are you all with me? Very simple common sense. From here to here, it is divisible by 100. X value which is 106 into K plus 25. Simple divisibility rule says when you divide a number by 7 is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1. 7 is 3 into 2 plus 1. So when 7 can be divided by 3, that quotient value will always be greater than 0. Quotient value will always be greater than 0. So based upon this condition, K will be greater than 0. So you can do 25 because I said in another logic I used it. All are divisible by 107. X power 5 plus 25. X divided by 107. X is 106. 107 ones are 107. Minus 1 power odd minus 1. Minus 1 plus 25, 24. Answer when divided by 107, remainder should be 24. You don't need to write 107 as X plus 1 and do a complicated calculation. I hope these two logics are clear. Now see the magic that is getting unfolded. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 5. 3 questions we'll solve. Question number 3. X equivalent to 12. X power 4 minus 13x cube plus 13x square minus 12x. Minus 12x. Options are 1, 12, minus 12, 0. 1, 12, minus 12, 0. Question number 4. X equivalent to 36. X power 5 minus 37x power 4 plus 37x cube plus 37x square plus 37x plus 14. Options are 80. Listen carefully. I will introduce another interesting logic. 70-50. From previous year exams with the same answer options, I am lifting it, sir. X equivalent to 72. 4 and 5. I will teach you another interesting logic, sir. In fact, we can also do 3, 4, 5 are one logic. See here. Question number 5. X is 72. X power 4 minus 71x cube minus 71x square minus 71x plus 10. It can be, this is 82, 60, 80 and 50. 82 and 50. Now see here, sir. These are the questions. X equivalent to 12, 12x power 4 minus 13x cube plus 13x square minus 12x. X equivalent to 36, 72. Another beautiful observation. Let me observe. 12 digital sum is 3. 36, it is 9. 9 power any number. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum is 9. 9 power any natural number, it is 9. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum is 9. I hope it is clear. 3 square it is 9. 3 cube it is 27. 3 power 4 81. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. It is 9. 6 square 36. 6 cube 216. 6 power 4 it is 1296. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. In case if x value is a multiple of 3, 6 or 9, you even probably not even 5 seconds it will take. 36, it is 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9. 14, what is the digital sum? 5. Answer, digital sum should be 5. 80, 60, 70, it is out. 36, 9, 9 power any number, divisible by 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9. Wherever x is there, it is divisible by 9. From here to here, x is there. So answer is divisible by 9. 14, what is the digital sum? 5. Answer when divided by 9, remainder should be 5. Answer when divided by 9, remainder should be 5. 12, 12 it is 3. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. These all are divisible by 9. 12 it is 3. 3 3s are 9. Answer is this entire number is divisible by 9. Which option is representing 0? 0 means answer is perfectly divisible by 9. Within 2 seconds you can solve these questions. People do all these 13 as 12 plus 1. All these are not required. Use your brain, sir. Right? X equivalent to 72. 72, what is the digital sum? 9. All are divisible by 9. 10, 10, what is the digital sum? 1. Answer, digital sum should be 1. Answer, digital sum should be 1. Answer, digital sum should be 1. Suppose, for example, a smart student can ask me a question. Sir, what if there is an option? What if there is an option 91? How to do if there is an option 91? Already we discussed this approach. If there is an option 91, you can use this approach. These entire middle numbers, they are divisible by 71. These entire middle numbers, they are divisible by 71. Remaining it is x power 4 plus 10 divided by 72. X is 7, x divided by 71. X is 72. 72 power 4 plus 10 divided by 71. 1 plus 10, 11. Answer when divided by 71, it should give a remainder 11. Answer when divided by 71, it should give a remainder 11. Absolutely very good clarity on mathematics, very good clarity on concepts will make you solve the question without even using any of the jugad useless tricks. For me, a shortcut trick is a trick which is derived after doing the traditional method, understanding how to reduce the number of steps, simplifying the number of steps, finding out every shortcut which you see has been either derived from observation, has been derived from multiple times solving the question and giving out a optimized way. Any mathematical problem can be solved in multiple ways. They are all called as a feasible solution. But there will be one solution which will reduce the number of steps and the time. That is called as an optimal solution. Idea clear? Again I am repeating, 72 digital sum is 9. All digital sums are 9. 10 digital sum is 1. Answer, digital sum should be 1. 82. If there is more than one answer option with the digital sum 1, middle terms are divisible by 71. These x power 4 plus 10, 72 power 4 plus 10, it will give a remainder 11. Answer when divided by 71, it should give a remainder 11. Probably after watching my class, in case if your friend is asking a doubt, you should be able to explain the doubt very neatly, looking eye to eye with absolute clarity. That is the kind of mathematics which I teach. Similarly, I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, in case if there is any other option, 9 it is there. What you will do? Right? This entire number is divisible by which number? 13. So remaining it is x power 4 minus 12x divided by 13. Whatever the remainder that you get, use that same logic. Idea it is clear, right? Third, fourth, 5. What is the learning in these? Question number 3, 4, 5. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Distal sum is 9. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Distal sum is 9. 9 power any natural number, distal sum will be 9. I hope the idea it is clear. 2 more questions. One concept, how to look at the mathematical question on an easy way of looking at the question. Suppose question number 6, question number 7, question number 6. Please solve it. Drop your pens. X is 24. X cube minus 25x square plus 25x plus 5. Start using the divisibility rule, sir. It will give you answers very, very fast. 29, 30 and minus 30. Again an previous year exam question. X equivalent to 84. X power 4 minus 83x cube minus 83x square minus 83x plus 27. Plus 27. Options are 57 minus 57, 111 and minus 111. And minus 111. Now see here, sir, how to solve this question. The first thing is, look at the number. What is the number? 24. 24 means it is divisible by 3. Are you all with me? All these numbers, wherever x is there, it is divisible by 3. 5. 5 when divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 2. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 2. 3k plus 2. 3 into something plus 2. 3 into something plus 2. These are not possible, not possible. 29 divided by 30 minus 1. 30 ones are 30 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. I want 3k plus 2 over. Similarly here, if you observe carefully, 84. If you observe, 84 is divisible by 4. 4 into 21. Are you all with me? So this entire number is divisible by 4. 27. 4 6 are 24 plus 3. Answer when divided by 4. Remainder should be 3. Remainder should be 3. So 57. 4 14 minus 1. Minus 1 means it is plus 3. It is plus 3. 4 2s are 28. 31. 4 7s are. These also plus 3. That means it is minus 3. These are not possible. These also not possible. Are you all with me? 57 not possible. Minus 111 not possible. We are there in these two. Now if you see, again if I use a digital sum. Again if I use digital sum. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 it is 12. 12 means 3. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum is. So here I got 27, it is 9, minus 83 into 84. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 means it is 2. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means it is 3. Minus 6. That means answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. 111. Digital sum is 3. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 it is 3. Minus 3. Digital sum will be plus 6. Out. Very, very interesting application of number system concept in algebraic related problems. What I did? 24. 24 is divisible by 3. You take the prime factors for 24. You can also do by using 4 also. 24 it is divisible by 4. All are divisible by 4. 5 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder 1. remainder 1, 29. 4 7s are 28, remainder 1. Here also 84 is divisible by 3. So completely all these are divisible by 3. 27 also divisible by 3. Unfortunately, all the answer options are divisible by 3. So that is the reason I took a divisibility rule for 4. 27 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24, positive remainder 3. See, whenever, always remember, sir, whenever you are solving aptitude related problems, the first thing is read the question. Reading the question will give a lot of ideas, sir. Lot of ideas you will get if you read the question. See here, first question. This is the foundation question. The first thing what you learn in this question number 1, all the terms contain x. So it is divisible by 11. 11 into something minus 1. Remember, answer options are given in the exam to be used. Do not forget to look at the answer option. So all are divisible by 11, remainder minus 1. Or in case if you are stuck, middle numbers are divisible by 12, check the remainder when you divide the first and last. Second one, example of first one. Third, fourth and fifth. If the given number is a multiple of 3, 3, 6 or 9, 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2, 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2, 9 power any natural number, it is 9. Question number 3, 4, 5, one type. Question number 6, 7, I am using the divisibility rule. It's also your mathematical intelligence, which number if you take. If you take 84 divisible by 3, answer options all are divisible by 3.